Hi guys, this is Jay again. We'll look at the Wipro stock now. This stock also has been in a strong uptrend on the weekly basis, and now I will show you why I have initiated a new position in this one. Okay, let's see. So here in this stock, you can see the daily closing. The stock has not closed below the low of this bearish candle. Okay, here. So the best place of and this has taken place in a place of resistance which was easily broken by the stock. Okay, huge up move, gap up opening and gap up moving. So this is a very important place. Why this place of importance is because the closing price, the stock has not closed the daily chart. In the daily chart, the stock has not closed below the low of the previous bearish candle. We will only observe the bearish candles here. Okay, so our buying point will be, what is the high of this candle? 486, low is 467. Always understand that you will select the stock based on the weekly EMA. If the 10-day weekly EMA is showing an uptrend, that is, if the stock is closing above the 10-day weekly EMA, this is the stock which you have to select for the trade. You will go to the daily chart of the stock and you will observe if on the daily chart the stock is closing the is not closing below the low of the bearish candle. Both these candles should be bearish candle and the stock should not close below the previous bearish candle. If this is happening, then at a point where there is a previous resistance, this is the place you want to buy the stock. So which is the best point of buying? The point of buying is this place where the previous current candle has not closed below the previous bearish candle low, and the half of the candle, that is the best buying point. So here if you get the stock at the lowest point, that is also fine, but okay, the stop loss will be 472.5, that is just below the bearish candle, whichever is lower. That is, if the first candle here, see in this place, in this trade, the first bearish candle is low, which is the lowest point of the first. When I say the first bearish candle, I am meaning this one. Okay, this candle whose high is 488.9 and low is 469. It has made a low. Now on the second, that is when you see from this end, that is the third candle. Third candle's low here has not closed below the low of the second bearish candle, right? So here the second bearish candle and the third bearish candle has given clue. The third bearish candle has given a clue that this point of resistance is a good point for trade. Now we will see this and we will initiate a position not above, that is very important, not above half of this candle. That is, if you place a trade here, then you are risking 483 to 466. That is a huge SL. Okay, you don't want huge SL, you will give only half SL, maximum half of the selling point, maximum half of the point. So here your SL will be below 467, that is low of this candle, and you have initiated a position here. Now let's see Next day the market went up. Suppose you have bought it. The next day what happens is the market has not closed below this SL point. If it closes, then you are out of the trade. That's all. Now the next day again the market has not closed below this trade. Again the next day bears are trying to close, but here also see, here also there is a strong bearish candle. There is bearish move, but this move has not closed below the low of the previous bearish candle. So this is also tells us that there is some accumulation that is going on here. Okay, now we will wait, and this is the point where we have bought. You can even buy at half of this point, right? Half of this candle you can get a trade. So even tomorrow there is a chance for a trade at 472. Okay, right, you can buy at 472.5 to be precise, right? And your stop loss will be below 467. That is just a 5-point stop loss, 1% almost stop loss. Okay, good luck.